Bururi wa Kenya no wa gatatu thiini wa thina uingi wa miruthi thutha wa bururi wa Afrika ya muhuro na bururi wa Tanzania uria utongoretie na miruthi itanyihiire 8,000. Kuringana na minista wa ugendi Najib Balala akiara hindi ya igongona ria gukunguira muthamaki wa njira guku Nairobi, oigite namba ya miruthi yongererekete kuma 1,970 mwaka-ini wa 2008 nginyagia 2,589 mwaka uyu wa 2021. Balala oigite muruthi uria ni nyamu gatagati ka iria ciuikaine ta Big Five no wa bata muno bururi-ini na gwi bata kumiramata.
In Kenya, we have slightly above 2,500 lions, according to the latest census, and these lions need to be protected. We in Kenya, our emblem, our national emblem, has the image of 2 lions, and also as well we market Kenya's tourism as the Big Five. So it is important to protect this very important, iconic species.
Oigite mathina maria maracungiriria namba ya miruthi gukunderera ni uguimi, wahami wa cikaro ciayo na mirimu.
Is lack of appropriate food. As PS mentioned today, if we don't have the circle of the small game being available for the lions, that becomes an issue. So it is food, it's diseases, it is space.
Thina ungi miruthi iragerera ni kuhingiririo na kwendio mabururi-ini ta Afrika ya muhuro, undu uria ureganitwo naguo ni ruhonge rwa thi rwa kugitira nyamu rutongoretio ni abithaa munene Edith Kabesime, akiuga undu uyu ni kwagarara ihoto cia nyamu.
It is up to us to protect these lions, to protect this iconic species. It's on our coat of arms. It is part of our DNA. So we're losing lions because of habitat loss, because of illegal wildlife trade. So we really need to come together.
Balala ongereire uhahami wa cikaro cia nyamu ta miruthi bururi-ini urehete haro gatagati kayo na mundu na gucungiriria ikuo. Riu thirikari ikiriha muigana wa ciringi bilioni 14 ari hathara ya undu uyu.
We are developing a strategy of how to going to address the issue of human-wildlife conflict. But the human-wildlife conflict have become the biggest challenge we have currently, apart from poaching on our endangered species.
Thengima mogwati maya na mangi macungiririe miruthi kuhuka mabururi-ini 26 gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Riu namba ya miruthi ira ikaraga njira-ini ikirikana no 20,000 tu.
In 1900, we had almost 1 million lions all over the world, and today the numbers have gone down.
Iria igongona riri mihiano ya miruthi ni ruguririo ira igukorwo ikiendio thoko-ini ya muingi kugeria gwetha mbeca cia guteithiriria uramati wa miruthi gitaro-ini kia Afrika.
So this is a celebration, not only to profile but also is a way to fundraise. In November we'll have the auction being done, and currently I've been told today these elephants are being launched across the lions. These lions are being launched across the world. So 7 other big cities in the world are hosting the same lions that we have here.
Mothe wa miruthi ukungwagirwo tariki 10 mweri wa 8 oro mwaka niguo kugitira muthamaki uyu wa runyanjara ndakanahuke na gutiga njiaro cia rucio makiria guku bururi-ini ukamuonagira noti-ini ya 500. Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.